Yes, they are finally here. I received this package today. I've been waiting on it since December, I think. I've been using the Altra Lone Peaks 4.5 for over a year and I'm in love with them, so I had to try the new ones, the Lone Peaks 5. Hi, Deen here from Hikeaholics, giving you gear reviews and hike videos from our little country, the Netherlands. We only review gear that we actually use ourselves. We are not sponsored, so everything we have we bought for ourselves and everything we say is just our honest opinion. If you'd like to see more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel by clicking this link here. It really helps us a lot to grow our channel and we hope that we can help you with honest reviews as well. Okay, let's have a look what's inside the box. I'm opening it up for the first time. Woo! I like the color. Very sleek design. I love it. Where Altra is known for is of course the foot-shaped toe box. They have that as well in here. They actually kept the rudder on the back. With the Lone Peaks 4.5 they had that as well. Before I take them out for a walk, let's go over the features a little bit. The shoes come in at 280 grams per shoe. The stack height is 25 millimeters, which provides great cushioning. The shoe has a zero drop, which means that the front and the back of your foot will be at the same height. The outsole is made out of Max Track rubber with trail claw that provides great grip. The new Ultra Ego midsole is made out of a responsive cushioning material, which is also very durable. The stone guard has a rock plate located in the midsole under the foam to protect the foot from stones. The upper of the Altra Lone Peaks 5 is made out of a breathable mesh that has laser cut holes for extra breathability and water drainage. Okay, so let's compare it with the Lone Peaks 4.5 a little bit. Here's the other one, I got them in the yellow. We can already see that the laser cuts that they have on the 5.0 are a little bit bigger for more breathability and water drainage, which is very good. I like that on the 4.5 as well, but could only be better of course. There's only one pull tab on the Lone Peaks 5. On the 4.5 there were two. And of course the midsole is different. This is the new Alter Ego midsole. More stability, a little bit sturdier in my opinion. But I have to try it of course. And they changed the design a little bit. The 4.5 has the mountains here, if you can see it. And on the 5.0, I think this is the only mountain part, so a little bit less detailed, but still cool. Of course, they kept the gator traps on here as well, which was really nice. Some people didn't like the trail rudder in the back of the 4.5. They actually kept it for the 5. I don't mind it. The only thing I said in the review of the Lone Peaks 4.5 is that when you're walking, some sand can get launched in the air, but it doesn't matter, really matter to me, so that's okay. So I think I talked enough. Let's go for a little hike with it, because I can't wait. See you in a bit. Okay guys, I'm back. Just went for a little hike, 5 kilometers. Luckily we live very close to the forest. I got to try the Lone Peaks 5 and I love them. And actually they feel very similar to the 4.5. The only thing, the heel is a little bit more snug, which I really like. I got these in the same size as the 4.5 and they fit perfect again. So if you're wondering size-wise, just get the same size as the 4.5. And if you never tried Ultras before, get half a size or one size up, then you're always fine. I really like the new midsole, the Ultra Ego midsole. It feels a little bit more sturdy than the 4.5, which I actually liked. Like a little bit more stability. Of course, I only walked 5 kilometers in these shoes, so I have to try them a little bit more. So maybe after 100 kilometers, I will give you another review on these as well. The outer soles are quite similar. On the 4.5, they had round figures here. And on the 5.0, it's more like an arrow downward. So I think even more grip. And they made an update on the stone guards as well. You can see the stripes here that aren't here. So they gave even more protection when walking on like small rocks, for instance. There's a little bit less stitching on the 5s as well, so that can make them more durable than the 4.5, but I've been using this very intensely for a year and didn't have any problems with the durability. But this area has less stitching, and I made the protection on your toes a little bit bigger around this area, which can help for the durability as well. If you're thinking, okay, which one should I get, the 4.5 or the 5.0? They're both really great, but the new update on the midsole, I think I would go for the 5, but they're very similar. Okay, so my first view on the Lone Peaks 5, like I said, I love them, but I have to try them more. If you're curious about the women version of the Lone Peaks 5, Aletta gave a review last time. So if you're curious about that one, I put a link down in the description and you can check that one out as well. I will be trying these further, so I will come back to you. So if you have any questions regarding the new Altra Lone Peak 5, don't hesitate to ask us and we'll respond to you. If you'd like to see more gear reviews like this, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us a lot. And like we say goodbye in the Netherlands, doei, and see you next time.